Hi, this is Miss Carol from the Killingly Public Library. I work in the children's department with Miss Allison. And over the next few weeks, I'll be doing a cooking segment called Super Sippers, a great tongue twister. Try saying that 3 times fast. And the ideas for my Super Sippers came from this book, the official DC Superhero Cookbook, which can be found at the Killingly Public Library. And it has beverages, it has snacks, it has actual things you can make for breakfast, special kinds of pancakes. So come over sometime and check this one out. But today, our super sipper is going to be the Joker juice. Let me show you the page from the cookbook. There you go. And for Joker juice, we need 8 ounces of grape juice. So I bought a small bottle at like a Dollar General, but you could also buy a larger bottle at Aldi's or Stop and Shop if you really like grape juice. A measuring cup because it said 8 ounces. We also need Limeade. This is a little tricky. I'll try and show you this without spilling it because I opened it. I found this at Stop and Shop, and let's see, I know it's going to come out backwards in the camera probably, but let's see. It's Limeade, but I don't want to make a mess. It's kind of like lemonade, but made with limes. And ice cubes. So here we go. You take a glass. We're making Joker juice, a super sipper. And it says to fill the glass with ice. And I brought ice with me. Since I'm making this for myself, I'm going to use my fingers. But if I was making this for someone else, maybe use a spoon like this or some tongs. But this will be kind of slow for me to do it that way, so I'm going to fill right up. Remember, it's for me. And I did wash my hands. It said fill it all the way up with ice. Wow. This is packed with ice, huh? All right. I hope this works. Next, it says to pour the grape juice over ice. So 8 ounces is right there. My grape juice. All of the recipes in the cookbook seem to be pretty healthy. This is 100% grape juice. There we go. 8 ounces measured. I can show you if you can see the 8 through there. Pretty close. Pour the grape juice over the ice. Oh. Nice cold grape juice. I think I better not fill it up too much more than that. That's pretty full. I'll pour that back in later, or I'll have to drink that later. And this is the tricky part. It says you're going to pour limeade over the grape juice. So I'm going to bring over a paper towel and the limeade. And I didn't have to use a can opener. It kind of peels open. Goes in the garbage. And then the metal lid comes off. Some people use these to make ornaments. Look on the internet how to make ornaments out of juice lids. I'm sure it's on there. And I left this pretty frozen. It says, let's see, just a little bit. So, but it says to do it gently, and you don't want to stir it. So what happens if I take this big amount of the limeade and float it on top? Can you see that? So you're starting, as it melts, you start to get this green effect in your drink. Can you see that? And that's why they call it Joker juice, because he tends to wear purple and green. Wow, and maybe it's going to make it a little sour. Let's see. And I don't think I have to serve immediately. Well, I'm going to serve this to myself. And I thought I have a straw here somewhere. Where did I put my straw? Uh-oh. I guess I'm just going to have to drink it. Let's just try it. I'm going to be brave. Ooh, that's good. I know I slurped. I had a straw. It must have rolled off the table and onto the floor. Now I'm going to try the limeade side. Turn my glass. Let's see. Oh, that's super good. The side where the grape juice and the limeade meet, you'll love it. So this is a super sipper called Joker Juice, and I hope you get to make it. I hope you get to taste it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.